Welcome to my channel, GrowTube.
Welcome to my...
In a tiny village, there lives a young maker named Luna. She loves to create and invent new things, and one day she discovers a magical workshop that brings her creations to life. In a charming little village, there was a girl named Luna who had a special gift. Luna loved to create and invent new things. She dreamed of making the world a better place with her ideas. One day, while exploring the forest, Luna heard a sound she had never noticed before. Curious as always, Luna followed the path and discovered something magical. Inside, Luna found a workshop like no other, a place where creativity and magic came together. Inside, Luna found a workshop like no other, a place where creativity and magic came together. First, Luna made a bird with wings that flapped like real feathers. It soared around the room, chirping happily. Next, she built a robot that could dance. It twirled and spun, making Luna laugh with joy. And then she created something truly magical, a machine that could turn thoughts into reality. Luna didn't keep the magic to herself. She shared her creations with the villagers, helping them in a wonderful way. The villagers were amazed by Luna's creations, and soon everyone was calling her the magical maker. But Luna knew that the true magic wasn't just in the workshop. It was in her own imagination. She realized that with a little creativity and a lot of heart, anything was possible. And so Luna continued to create, inspire, and share her magic with the world, one idea at a time. The Magical Maker's Workshop was a place where dreams came to life, but the greatest magic of all was the creativity within Luna. Remember, young creators, you have the power to bring your ideas to life. So keep dreaming, keep imagining, and who knows what you might create next. Remember, young creators, you have the power to bring your ideas to life. So keep dreaming, keep imagining, and who knows what you might create next. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and click the bell icon.